Hi guys, so Byron and I just got back from Westfield Vanity Fair and I finally got my first pair of Balenciagas. This wasn't actually the pair that I was looking for. I actually originally wanted this one. I don't know if you guys could see that. There's a reflection. But then when I went to go see it in store, I didn't really like the color. It wasn't as beige as it looks in person. It actually looked more grayish. So I ended up getting this one. And I got it in a size 35. This is how it looks like. So it came with this travel bag. You can put your shoes in here when you're traveling. And then this is how it looks. She's so cute. So I got it in size 35, as you can see. And they're quite heavy. Now, let me try to put them on for you and see how it looks on my feet. So this is how they look on my feet. They are bulky, but I actually like the bulky look. I've been into bulky shoes lately. They do fit a little big, at least that's what the lady told me, so I got the size 35 instead of the 36.